Okay, 2017 FT86 Irvine came for a turbo installation. This is a Speed by Design turbo kit. It fits nice. You can barely see the intercooler in there. Blow valve. We also installed the flex fuel kit, boost controller, an electronic boost controller. So it's all controlled by the stock ECU via Ecutek. And by the way, this car is an automatic, but it's actually a good thing because you never drop boost, you never miss shift. And look at the amount of power it made. So it made 250 horsepower in third gear at 7 pounds of boost on 91, and 376 horsepower on the 85 at 14 pounds of boost. So, and it's a very nice soft line. This little bump here, it's actually a boost cut. So it hit like half a pound over the limit, and then you drop back down, and it went on to the boost that we wanted. We're gonna take it for a spin now. So also another thing is the car was having traction issues on the dyno, so that's why I had to switch from third gear to fourth gear. But yeah, let's take it for a spin.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Thanks to that guy.
Don't sleep on the automatic.